I have some bad news from my town. There is literally a tornado watch. But it's not a warning, so I don't think I should really worry. And there's another thing in the weather today. So there is a tropical storm coming for my town too. Let me show you. It takes a long time to generate. Come on, generate. Nope, there it is. No, it doesn't look that bad though. Just 50 miles per hour wind. And it's not going to directly hit me, but I might be close to the center. Though it's already in Florida. But yeah, that's just a weather update for my town. Not telling which town because I don't want to show my location, but I'm just telling you that there's a tornado watch, and this is rare. Very rare for my town to have a tornado watch. Because we live in, like, we live in, like, a part of Connecticut where there really isn't much tornadoes, but, so yeah, that's kind of crazy. So, goodbye.